Wait a minute.
Okay.
FCMB close. Okay, what is no. This TAL, right? No, the time will be very quick because you lose your heating. That means what you will have only is the temperature of the crude, right?
Yes.
So the temperature of the crude is not heated. So that means it's immediate.
The damage means
Yeah,
also
Immediate,
damage
immediate.
means.
Yeah.
So you have
I lose the effectiveness of flashing inside the second.
Here it is immediate. Yeah, immediate.
okay 0 to 5.
Yeah. So it's P2, I think. Yeah. It's immediate. It's low. And then it's immediate. Yeah.
Immediate and low. What is this?
Yeah, it's P2. You go back here. I think immediate and low is P2. Immediate and low P2.
Yes. P2.
Yeah.
But Emmanuel, do you really think? See, we are saying stock fully stuck close. No, what?
Correct.
But if it is partially closed,
Mm.
okay, we are going ultimate credible consequence. Okay, I understand.
Right. See, when you
Yeah.
close your hot water, then what you will read only is the temperature of the crude, which is lower than this set point.
Absolutely, agree.
So it will immediately alarm.
Yeah, temperature will go immediately low.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So this is the crude we have seen. Now we are going for the second stage separator, right?
Yeah. There's another TAH, but that is typical to the first TAH 030903.
Yeah, this is typical. So we are not saying.
Yes.
We'll follow the same philosophy, so that second stage separator, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we have how many? Unique 1, 2, 3. We have good numbers. Let us see. LAH. So second stage. So where is the second stage?
Yeah. Go to the next page. Yeah. There you go.
So we have the LAH 40901. LAH is here. LSH. 01 40901.
First stage.
Where is
Go
01?
to the next page. Next page, probably this is. Sorry. This one. Below. It's
here.
water side,
Yeah.
interface side, right?
Water side. Yeah.
Yep.
So if this is high, so water contamination, right? Same water contamination to the
Same as what